Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Mercedes GLE 350. This is all courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire. Absolutely sweet car. I drove this home, but due to the winter weather conditions, driving it back, actually no, I think I had a cold. That's why I didn't record it. My voice was awful. So now I get the chance to record it. And I'm like, yay! In gorgeous shape, drives very well. Box of keys for all the cars I'm going to be videoing, hopefully. Heated seats, sunroof, in sport mode. Let's go for a drive. So you can see plenty of power, tons of torque. Again, it's a little bit of a windier day, so wind noise is going to be a bit amplified. How many miles on this? 44. 940. So let's see kick down doing 70. Yeah, plenty of passing power. So yeah, when I spent the night with this car, I was very impressed. I had no complaints at all. Sound system, Harman Kardon sound. I mean, like I said, I have no complaints about this car. It's very fun to drive, honestly, especially with these paddle shifters. No complaints at all, man. This car has been great. In terms of reliability, it's for sale. I can't tell you. I drove it home once. I can't tell you how reliable it's been. But even over that deep pothole, no major noises. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Turning circle test here. That's impressive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.